TOEFL Practice 1. Structure and written expression questions. 2 questions with answer explanations. Answer each question in 37.5 seconds. Direction for question 1. This question is an incomplete sentence. Beneath the sentence you will see 4 words or phrases, marked A, B, C, and D. Choose the one word or phrase that best completes the sentence. Question 1. Direction for question 2. This question has 4 underlined words or phrases. The 4 underlined parts of the sentence are marked A, B, C, and D. Choose the one underlined word or phrase that must be changed for the sentence to be correct. Question 2. Answer 1. Parallel structure, also called parallelism, is a grammatical rule that requires parts of a sentence that are joined together to have the same grammatical form. Option D maintains parallel structure by ensuring both clauses have a similar grammatical format. Subject, Fanny Bryce, plus verb, knew, plus complement, that performing was to be her life matches. Subject, theater audiences, plus verb, were, plus complement, to be her best teachers. Answer 2. Word form refers to the different grammatical versions of a word, such as its noun, verb, adjective, or adverb forms. In English, words often change their form depending on their function in a sentence. The word long is an adjective, but in this context, a noun is required to refer to the extent or measurement of the snake's body. The correct noun form is length. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.